Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I brought you this exciting product for my Tesla Model Y. Puddle Light Projector doorstep light. It's an accessory that you can put on to make your puddle lights much brighter. Puddle Light's connection is under each doors, so there's 4 of them in the car. It's super high quality, and that's plastic, frosted white, and that's alloy, and there's the connection. So you just have to pop the old one out and place this, and this will have a much brighter puddle light. So applicable model is Model Y 2020 and newer, and Model 3 2017 and newer. This will give you enhanced aesthetics. The Tesla Model Y Puddle Lights Projector doorstep light, and it's super easy to install. These interior lights are designed for hassle-free installation. Plug and play right here, and you can easily install them yourself without any complex wiring or modification to your vehicle. The lights are designed to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring they remain functional and maintain their appearance over time. So let me go install this on my 2022 Tesla Model Y. Okay, so open the door. And this is very dim. Use a screwdriver to pry right here. That's it. Very simple, and it comes off. And just disconnect it right here. That's simple. And this is like a cheap plastic, like very dim. So let's install the metal version. So just connect this in. It goes only one way. Okay, that's it. Look at the laser beam that's coming out. So the orientation, this is the right orientation when you open the door. So put it on the right direction. Let's put it in there. That's it. I'll show you at night, but it says Tesla on it. So it's about 6 a.m. Pretty dark. And let's see. Look at that. Compared to, I didn't install it on this side yet. Look. That's so dim. The logo dimension looks perfect. It's very nice quality. Let's see the other side. This is with lights off. So thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.